Have you ever seen the price hit resistance 3 or 4 times? Told yourself, this time it's definitely going to break out. Jumped in to buy, and just a few minutes later, the market slammed right back down and burned your account? Sounds familiar, right? That's what traders call the triangle trap, one of the oldest tricks in the market. But if you truly understand the secret behind it, you'll know exactly when a breakout is real and how to turn that move into hundreds of dollars in profit every single day. The ascending triangle isn't just a random shape on your chart, it's a reflection of market psychology. Imagine this. The price keeps testing the same resistance level over and over, failing to break it, while each pullback stops higher than the last. That tells us something powerful: buyers are getting stronger and are no longer willing to let the price drop to previous lows. Sellers, on the other hand, are losing strength with every bounce. As these two forces compress, one flat and one rising, the market starts building tension. And at some point, that energy has to explode. That's the moment when the ascending triangle comes to life, driving a powerful breakout that pushes price far, fast, and decisively. The key thing to understand is that the ascending triangle is a continuation pattern, not a reversal. It works best when it appears during an existing uptrend. Think of it as the market taking a deep breath before the next big move. When you see it forming during a bullish trend, it usually signals accumulation, smart money, quietly adding more positions before a major rally. But if it appears in a choppy sideways range or near a major resistance on the higher time frame, be careful. That could be a trap designed to shake out retail traders before the real move happens. To identify an ascending triangle, focus on the story it tells, not just its shape. First, you'll notice a clear horizontal resistance level, the ceiling where price keeps getting rejected. That's where sellers are trying to defend their ground. Then look for rising swing lows, showing that buyers are stepping in earlier and earlier. Finally, make sure there's a prior uptrend. Without that, the pattern loses its strength and meaning. Now, don't waste your time looking for textbook perfection. Real markets are messy. You'll see spikes, uneven highs, and candles that don't quite line up, and that's completely fine. What matters isn't how perfect the triangle looks, but the behavior of price within it. Those higher lows mean buyers are tightening their grip, and the market is coiling up for a breakout. A common mistake among beginners is obsessing over symmetry, trying to find that perfect triangle they saw in a trading book. But the truth is, the market doesn't care about perfect geometry. It cares about momentum, conviction, and liquidity. Once you understand that, you'll start to recognize triangles not as shapes, but as signals of pressure building beneath the surface. Now let's talk about how to actually trade it. The most effective approach combines 3 key elements: a clear breakout, confirmation from volume, and a retest or pivot confirmation. Picture this. Price touches the resistance for the 3rd or 4th time, and suddenly you see volume increasing. Candles closing with stronger bodies. That's your first clue. Smart money is preparing for a push. When price finally breaks above that resistance and closes firmly on the other side, that's your green light to buy. Don't rush in the moment price touches resistance, wait for confirmation. Many false breakouts are designed exactly to trap impatient traders. Advanced traders sometimes enter earlier, buying near the ascending trend line when price bounces from support. This gives them a tighter stop loss and higher reward potential, but it requires confidence and patience. The trade might take longer to play out, and the breakout could take time to form. To filter out fake signals, many professional traders use pivot points. Once price breaks out, they wait for it to pull back and retest the pivot level. If it holds as new support, that's a strong confirmation that the breakout is real. That's also the area where big players often re-enter to add to their positions before the next surge. When the breakout is genuine, you'll notice a strong expansion in volume and long bullish candles closing near their highs. That's what I call a golden confirmation. But if the breakout candle is weak, with low volume or long upper wicks, it's probably just a fake out meant to trigger FOMO and trap retail traders. Once you're in the trade, management becomes crucial. The most common stop-loss placement is just below the ascending trend line or the most recent swing low inside the triangle. Your first take-profit target can be measured by the height of the triangle projected upward from the breakout point. For example, if the height is 100 pips, your first target is also 100 pips. But remember, that's just a guideline. Strong breakouts, especially those supported by volume, can easily travel 2 or even 3 times that distance. Most traders fail not because their strategy is wrong, but because their psychology is weak. They either enter too early or exit too soon. The ascending triangle rewards patience. You have to wait for confirmation before you act. And once you're in, trust your setup. If price hasn't broken the trend line, don't panic over a few red candles. On the other hand, if the structure breaks, cut your loss without hesitation. The ascending triangle isn't some magical formula. It's a tool, a lens that lets you read how the market is building up energy before a move. When you use it correctly, it gives you everything you need: a logical entry, a natural stop loss, and a realistic profit target. That's what professional trading is all about: precision and discipline, not prediction. In the end, the ascending triangle represents a quiet battle between buyers and sellers. Each failed breakout, each higher low, is another sign that buyers are tightening control. And when the pressure finally releases, the move is explosive. Once you learn to spot this pattern, you're no longer guessing, you're reading the true flow of the market. With just one solid breakout, this setup alone can help you make hundreds of dollars a day without overcomplicating your charts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Zeus Trading Cashback, and join our Telegram group through the link below to receive real-time trading signals and up to 100% cashback on every trade. Because in trading, sometimes the simplest setups are the ones that deliver the biggest profits.